Day 23 Self-Love.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 23 of our 30-day meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation is all about self-love. All I need you to do is to be in a comfortable cross-leg position using a blanket or a pillow to elevate your hips. If you need to, you can sit up against the wall. Find your own personal comfortable seat, and you're going to place your left hand over your heart center and then your right hand over that. So the hands are right there in the middle of your chest, and we're going to place them there because that is the place of personal love, but also love towards the universe. We are here, we are present, we are connected, we are divine, we are amazing, powerful beings. And before we can step into the world and give and share and love others, it is important to love ourselves. So with your eyes closed and your heart focused on love, come into your breath and allow all of your thoughts to shift internally for a place of self-nurturing, self-love, and self-care. Begin to think about all of those things in your life that make you happy. The things that bring you personal joy. Those simple things that bring a smile upon your face. Remind yourself that as you move through your daily lives, continue to do those things that lift your heart, that fill you with love, that bring you joy. We spend a great deal of our time and most of our lives shielding our heart, protecting ourselves. But if our hearts are big and we are internally nourished and loved, there's really no need to guard it. So we're in a place of security. So we are strong internally. We're balanced and nourished. But we first must do that for ourselves. And then we have the capacity to step out into the world. In and out through your nose. Feel your beautiful heartbeat. Remind yourself of how amazing you are, how beautiful you are, how special you are. Remind yourself, think about all those talents and gifts you have. Breathe in love. Nourish your body with love. Flood your mind with love. breath in. Exhale out of your mouth, release your hands. Just give yourself a few moments, feeling that vibration of love moving through every inch of your body, feeling that sense of love pouring through your soul. As you move into the rest of your day, remember those moments that make your heart smile. Bring the palms together, create a little heat and warmth by rubbing them. Place the hands over your eyes, breathing in. And as you exhale, release the hands and open your eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me here for a little self-love meditation, and I'll see you on tomorrow.